Hello, and welcome to My Little Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today I've got a treat for you. Today I'm going to make a fantastic breakfast food. I'm going to make homemade old-fashioned pancakes from scratch. Now these are the lightest, fluffiest pancakes and they taste so good. You're just going to love these and eat them up like crazy. Okay, let's get started. The ingredients for our pancakes are 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of room temperature milk, 1 egg also at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of oil. To start, we're going to take our dry ingredients and mix them all together. So we'll add our 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We want to go ahead and mix those all together. So we get a quick stir, and then we'll add our wet ingredients. First wet ingredient is that 1 cup of milk. We'll add the egg next. And a tablespoon of oil. Go ahead and give that a good stir till it's all mixed together. Okay, let's heat up our griddle. We've now heated our griddle up. We're at about a medium-high heat, and we're going to go ahead and spray a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. And now we'll go ahead and pour our pancake batter here. Now, obviously, you can make any size pancakes you want. There we go. That's a good one there. We'll do another one over here. Now we want to go ahead and cook these until bubbles form and the edges of the pancakes are dry. That'll be about 3 to 5 minutes. Then we'll flip it over and cook it on the other side for another 3 to 5 minutes. Once you have a good amount of bubbles that are starting to form on the pancake and the edges are drying out like this one right here, you can go ahead and flip your pancake over. And we'll flip both pancakes here. And we'll do another 3 to 5 minutes on this side as well. Okay, let's take a quick look at our pancakes. Oh, those look good. And those look ready to me. So let's go ahead and serve those up on our plate. Yum. You can serve those with a little bit of butter. And some maple syrup. Oh boy, those look good. All right, our pancakes are done and they look delicious. Now it's time for that taste test. Look at that. Oh my goodness, delicious. I might have to have another one right now. Yum. Well, thanks for joining us today on My Little Country Living. Is we made homemade, light and fluffy, old-fashioned style pancakes. Now, you can go ahead and top these off any way you like. You can put powdered sugar on them, maple syrup, fruit, whipped cream, chocolate chips, any way you like, and go ahead and eat these. You are going to enjoy them, I guarantee it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Thanks.